some nation. The wives husband concubines with concussion. Union one rotation. Number one is concerning of some nation. The wives number three is concubines with concussion. Union one rotation. Number one Fuji has on the notion. Number three is Fuji has on Fuji has a promotion. And everybody Fuji has a promotion. Preaching practical solution. Fuji has a promotion. Is opinion is in confusion. And everybody commotion. Fuji's house is not a illusion. Number one is Chantanyon, the white number Tinyon. To respect this white number three is confusion. Fuji has your Fuji's house is not the guitar like she can. Number one, a Fuji Chantanyon, the white number two. Keep practical. White number three is confusion. Fuji has a promotion. Sweet come the guitar like everybody. A Fuji has a promotion. Keep practical solution. A Fuji has a promotion. Peaceful peace with confusion. Everybody in commotion. Yeah. A Fuji has a promotion.
Two people ignorant, fighting in the street so that useless killing people, stockfish like Africa will come here and embarrass shameless wives and children. Stupid ignorant, fighting in the street so that useless stockfish like Africa will come here and embarrass you. Useless mother with useless children. Look at you. Nonsense. Stupid. Ignoramus. Look at you. This artificial yellow people. Discipline. Useless mother fighters with bombers with useless children. Nonsense. Stupid. Ignoramus. All of you. With disciplined children. Fighters. Bombers. Just face the water. No, not yet. I'm tired of people laughing at me in the street because of useless children. Just face the world, as if I'm the only. No, not yet. I'm tired of people laughing at me in the street because of useless children. Anyone in this house today, as if I'm the only one with children. Just face the world.
You've been getting them since evening, and they have not eaten.
There's no food for anyone in this house today. Just face the world. Where are you coming from?
What's the matter?
Where are you selling market to? Why are you just coming down? Ghosts? Oh, where's woman? Kubi, where are you coming from? Just drop that bag and drop it to the kitchen and selling market to.
I will go now. But you said there is no eating in this.
Face the world. Just drop that bag and drop it to the kitchen and all of you stay where you are. Yeah, stay where you are.
But you said there is no eating in this.
Face the world. All of you stay where you are. Yeah, stay where you are. Nobody move. Foolish family.
What happened?
We fought with Alika's children.
Again? You people are foolish Fuji family, true.
No, mommy.
It is not. When you saw with your heads like what? Again? You people.
So I should allow those hungry Alika children to kill my children for me.
When you saw with your heads like what? You as Agbalagba.
So I should allow those hungry Alika behaving like to kill my children for me. Is this a barrack?
But mommy, Alika won't him.
You as
Why
Agbalagba.
is he always running
You
away
should
from
sabi
money?
better.
Is that why he is not bigger than Alika? Is this a barrack?
But why did you always Alika won't him?
Why is he always running away from Alika? Is he not bigger than Alika?
You talk. Why did you always run away?
My own is that my belly is engaging up.
Alika had a cutlass.
My face is
A big and shining thing like this, mommy. Hey, you lower your voice. I beg lower your voice.
Baba will beat us again. Leave her, we'll deal with her later. Baba will talk. Leave her, we'll deal with her later.
Start beg. Start beg. Shut up. What is wrong with you?
I am going to show.
Start beg.
Please. What are you doing there? I told you to face the wall.
Chief, I have respected you enough for one night. Now, Chief, where
Please.
and how do you want the insult?
What are you
Because I will
doing?
supply it to you, Nyafu.
I
Ogini.
told you to face the wall.
Chief, I have respected you enough for one night. Now, Chief, where and how do you want the insult? Because I will supply it to you, Nyafu. Ogini. I am not deaf, and I will not stand up.
Please stand up. I am warning you. Please, if you.
I am not deaf, and I will not stand up.
If you. If not for these people, I would have shown you. I would have shown you Pepe. God save you. All right, for that, there is no week for you for the next 1 month. I would have shown you. I would have shown you Pepe. All right, all of you, stand up. All right, for that, stand up and go to bed. For the next go to bed. All right, all of you, stand up. There's no food for anybody. And go to bed. Come on, go to bed. To bed. It is too much food that makes you children fight every day. Go to bed. Go to bed. No food for anybody in this house today. Come on, go to bed. To bed. It is too much food that makes you children fight every day. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Too much food. Go to bed. Fight in the street. Go. 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 Iyamoji, are you going to bring this food now, Abi? Well, I will leave it for you. Iyamoji, are you going to bring this food now, Abi? Well, I will leave it for you.
People should watch their bellies here before Papa comes, because me, I cannot.
It's all your fault, Sister Jumoke.
How is it my fault?
Then you won't leave boys alone.
If I slap you, people should watch their bellies here before Papa comes, because me, I cannot.
It's all your fault, Sister Jumoke.
How is it my fault?
Then you won't leave boys alone.
If I slap you, is it my fault? Is it my fault? Don't fight.
But it smells like food.
It is food.
But it smells like food.
It is food.
What is going on here?
So, hungry children must to go shop.
Please, now beg you for What is happening? Please, now beg you for Did I or did I not say that no one should eat dinner tonight? Good. So what am I saying here? Or am I? What is happening here? Did I or did I not say that no one should eat dinner tonight? Good. So what am I saying here? Or am my eyes deceiving me?
Nobody, sir. We were all sleeping and we opened our eyes and the food was there. Yes, Papa, don't worry.
Bolaji, you opened your eyes.
Yes, Papa. Nobody,
and the food
sir.
was there.
Yes, Papa. We were sleeping and we opened our eyes.
Yes, Papa.
You did not know who put the food there. And you started eating. Opened your
Yes,
eyes.
Papa.
Suppose there was poison in the food that
Yes,
you
Papa.
Then you started eating.
Yes, Papa.
You did not know who
Hey,
put
maybe
the
it
food
was
there.
an angel.
Suppose there was poison in the food that you ate. Did you people give this? Did you people give these children food after I said that nobody? There's no more food in this house except the one that the Indians will have. From now, there's no more food in this house except the one that the Indians will
If you knew we wouldn't bring this food on time, you shouldn't have bought that. Me, I'm hungry.
Angel! It's time for lunch!
Don't forget our breakfast. He did not bring it.
We're waiting for Angel to bring.
So the angel has not brought the food, Abi? Well, somebody should tell me the truth so that you can all go and eat. Who gave you the food you ate?
Papa, the food was there, so we woke up and ate.
Well, you are not serious yet. Oh yeah, all of you go upstairs. Now, go up, all of you, up. Go. Now, when you see the angel, tell him to come and meet me downstairs. Oh. You, go up. When you see angel, go.
Yes.
See. Go. Let's go. Angel. Yeah. Go. My sweet banana.
How can you sit down there chopping chicken while your children starve?
It's easy. Just watch how I do it.
Pozutan council. Nenu toha oluku mako. Ewu.
Same to you.
Maybe you should go and tell him that we stole the food, though.
But that would be a lie.
But that will be better than dying of hunger.
I think Hitler is the angel.
How can Hitler an angel? You push you mind yourself, so.
Sister Jumoke, remember that night she did like this to us? Remember? Sister Jumoke, go and ask your mother whether she was the angel.
My mother is not the angel. Before Uncle. Hitler. How can Hitler be an angel?
I wonder.
Ali, I hope your head is not having partial contact there.
Exactly. If I deal with you.
For insulting you as you insulted his mother.
Hey, Radio Congo. Don't let me use this hunger and descend on you.
Sister Jumoke, please. Go and tell your mother that we appreciate everything she did to us that night. But you're going to confess to Tatafo just to save her soul, please.
Really? Here she is, Mufu. Tell her yourself.
Tell her what?
Nothing, man. Nothing.
I thought so. Bolaji.
Mommy.
Go to my room. Pack all the dirty clothes there and go and wash them. Come on, go! Jumoke. Go and pack your junior one's dirty clothes plus your own and go and meet your brother and wash everything.
Mommy, we have no eating.
Come on, do as I said. Feyi, Fati. Oh yeah. What is this?
Look at all the clothes we wash. I'm hungry.
Pass.
I'm hungry.
Where to?
So peace.
Is it a crime to peace? Nonsense.
Wonderful! Angel, thank you!
Balaji, what are you doing?
Angel.
Angel! Thank you! What is happening here?
Angel!
Go! Angel, thank you! You move your mouth now! Stupid boy.
But how can you take me? So I'm not taking me. Are you mad? You eat all the food, you don't do any work.
Don't be Don't be
Bolaji.
What are you doing?
The angel brought food. So we are eating. Comment.
Everybody! The angel has not in the money.
Whose room? Nobody should enter my room. See this?
Where does this come from?
Come! Who is that that put this for you?
What is this commotion now? Where the commotion?
Papa, the angel brought food and Mama and Jumoke wants to that children to eat it. Take this
Is it over?
Is it over?
Oh yes, Panjami, it is over.
Are we safe?
We are very safe.
Ọlọ́run. That reminded me of the Civil War. The foolish shooting and dying, while the few wise ones just took cover till the end of the war. He's sick. I knew it. Momo, he's sick. You see, I came here to come and collect some money for my wife in the hospital having a baby. But when I got here, he was not at home. So I said I will come back. But as I put my leg on the way, Ifa called me and said, Jamiu, my faithful servant. I said, Say Jamiu, I said, He said, okay, go and tell Fuji that his enemies are after him.
Enemy.
Benny.
Who are they?
There are many.
Where are they?
There are very many. There are very, 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 very many. You see, they are eating his liver.
Where are they?
You cannot see them, but I can see them. I can even send them away. Afẹ́fẹ́ lẹ́gẹ́ afẹ́fẹ́ lẹ́gẹ́ tí ìṣàwọ̀ lóde ìsálú ọ̀run gbé wọn bọ̀. Afẹ́fẹ́ lẹ́gẹ́ tí ìṣàwọ̀ wọn lóde ìsálú ayé gbé wọn wá.
Let him say they be deceiving you people. Spirits are really eating his liver.
Tí ìṣàwọ̀ wọn lóde ìsálú ayé gbé wọn bọ̀. You see, I have sent the yellow wish away. If I go do, if I is very good, give this one. Tell him to tie it round his waist and run round this house.
I am well.
If I has healed you,
it's a lie. Nothing was wrong with you.
Lie. If I just healed you now. So you better pay up, Ifa. Or if you don't pay, I will call you Shwelegbara. And it will lit up your liver, your kidney, your phone, and everything inside you, and you will become empty. Adú ọ̀run ẹgbẹ́ wọn bọ̀, ẹ̀yin òòṣà mọ́kànkàndínlógún tí ìtìlé olúfẹ́ bọ̀ wá.
Take.
Ẹ̀fúùfù lẹ̀lẹ̀ tí ìṣà wọn lóde ìsálú ọ̀run gbé wọn bọ̀. Afẹ́fẹ́ lẹ́gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́.
When are you going to pay me back?
For what? This is Ifa's money. You hear say Ifa dey owe person before? No, Ifa no dey owe person. Ẹ̀fúùfù lẹ̀lẹ̀ tí ìṣà wọn lóde ìsálú ọ̀run gbé wọn bọ̀. Fẹ́fẹ́ lẹ́gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́. Tájù. Can you man die? Can you man bury him?
This is stealing in the name of Ifa. Sure. Stealing. Sure.
You see? I don't have money.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, conclusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Creating practical solutions, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solutions. A Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion. Everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.